Well, hello there, crafty friends. Suzanne here in the studio with our collection obsession for this month. This month, I have decided I'm going to use another 6x6 pad. And the reason is because, as I mentioned in an earlier video, I am almost finished with making all the cards I need for this year. That doesn't mean I won't make more cards from time to time, but it would be really nice to get my Thanksgiving cards done, even though it is obviously counter seasonal to be doing autumn Thanksgiving cards in the spring. But the ability to cross that last thing off of my list is too strong a temptation not to go ahead and do it. So with that in mind, I have chosen American Crafts Autumn Crisp. This is a very old paper line from 2013, 6x6 pad. I got it at Tuesday Mornings for $2.99. It's 36 papers, 24 designs. So there are 12 designs where you get two, and then there are 12 designs where you get one. So let me go ahead. I've already torn this apart and show you the papers. First of all, we have some cut aparts. And then this super cute paper. The colors in this are subdued, not real orangey, so I really like it when they have other colors in fall lines besides your typical orange. Pretty green gray in here. This is pretty iconic. I actually had the 12 by 12 of this a long time ago. I think I might still have a few die cuts left in my die cut binder. But there are all the patterns that you get two of. And then for the ones that are just one, okay, so there is that. I think I'm going to use this Give Thanks Unity stamp set because it has blessings. So I think I'm going to make that my front sentiment. And then all we behold is full of blessings. A quote from William Wordsworth. I think that will go inside. Okay, I will be back before you know it with some finished cards. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.